Alright, sealing up a curb that someone else just installed on a metal roof, and we're going to use polyester fabric and Carniflex. It's a solvent base because it's supposed to rain tonight, and we can't use a water base, it won't cure in time. Ideally this curb should have been installed in the middle of the seam to allow water flow, but they didn't have the correct curb and they had to get it installed. So we're starting at the bottom. Cut a piece of polyester here that will go past the new flange and onto the metal panel. And since my top and bottom are the same size, I just hold that piece of cloth and I cut a second piece for the top. Then a couple pieces for the side. Same thing, I grab the cloth, I hold the two ends together like that. I see where my next cut has to be. Alright, got my first piece of cloth. I put it in place, make sure it's going to fit. It's grabbing onto the flange of the curb and coming onto the metal panel. Looks good. Take my coating. You don't want it too thin. Don't need it super thick. Coating has to be over every bit of that cloth. That's why I like to lay the piece of cloth in first, get a good look at it, and I know where I got to coat. Let the brush do the work. The biggest spots you got to watch out for are in corners where the cloth makes a change of direction, that you have the cloth tucked down into that turn and that it's relaxed like this right here. If you don't have coating underneath, just lift the cloth up, put a little bit more coating, put it down. These turns here, you got to make sure, take the tip of your brush and push the cloth down to make sure it's relaxed, so you don't have an opening here. We call those fish mouths in the cloth. We don't want those. You got to check every square inch of this cloth to make sure you have a good coat. Now this is an oil base, and we can put it on a little thicker than a water base and it won't mud crack so bad. But if this was a water base, we'd coat it, allow it to dry, and then coat it again probably the next day. But we have rain coming in tonight, so I'm just going to thicken up this solvent base. About 50% of this coating is going to end up evaporating, so I always like to put it on a little thicker than what you think it truly needs. Now I'm ready to do a side. Use the brush so you're not getting your hands all covered with the coating. Get it where you want it. Put a glob of coating and start smoothing it out, working it back and forth into the fabric so the fabric absorbs it. It has a good grip. When you come to the end of the piece of fabric, make sure you don't rub it like that or you'll pull the fabric up. So make sure you brush the coating with the end of the fabric. Side's done, ready for the front or the high side of the curb. Now, the way that installed this curb, it's probably going to pond some water right here. They didn't install it the way I wanted them to. So I might take another piece of cloth and put it here, overlapping this piece, because the sealant with the polyester really works well against ponding water. So I might add another piece because I'm pretty convinced that water's going to sit in front of this curb. Get the cloth down. You want to kind of smooth it out so it looks good too. Now I'm coating for the second piece. Just trying to help this curb remain leak free. I have to make sure to see where the edge of my first piece is so that I overlap it with this piece by at least an inch. Get it centered. Make sure I'm overlapped. And you should always, your cloth should always go up the sides here. Hopefully at least an inch or higher. Higher than where water could sit. Just work that coating into the fabric. Make sure your corners are down and relaxed. As this coating dries, it wants to tighten or shrink, which means in these corners, if your fabric is really tight, it will pull an opening. As this coating dries, it shrinks, and it will pull this cloth in these corners open. So the more relaxed you have your cloth, the less that's going to have the opportunity to happen.